Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Myself Kisa sir, as your social science teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 6, subject geography, lesson 2, topic globe, the Earth's model. You know Earth. The Earth is a unique planet in our solar systems, and you know in the Earth the temperature is very suitable for the survival of all the living things, and on this Earth there is many landforms are there: plains, plateaus, mountains, valleys, and other things. Gorges, canyons, V-shaped valley, U-shaped valley, oxbow lakes. Means too many kinds of varieties of things are found in this lovely earth. So you should think in the mind. The earth gives us many things, very valuable things to us. So we should need to conserve this lovely earth by planting more and more trees, and stop deforestations, and avoid the uses of too much vehicles, because the vehicles produce too much smokes. So we should need to conserve our earth from the hazardous situations. Now come to the points. The earth model. You know globe. The globe is a small model of the earth. You make a globe at your home also. Take a balls, and in a chart papers you draw the world map. So there are continent also. So there are 7 continents. You show there are 7 continents, 5 oceans, and placed in a globe and fixed in a 23.5 degree, so that it rotates on its own axis. When the earth rotates on its own axis, it is known as rotation, and when the earth revolves the sun, it is known as revolutions. So there is difference between rotation and revolution. When the earth rotates, it causes day and nights, and when the earth revolves around the sun, it causes change of the seasons. So what are the useful of globes? See, it helps in understanding how days and night are caused. Suppose you take a torchlight and put a globe there and rotate the globes. When the torchlight fall in them, when the surface will glow, it is known as days, and when the surface in the back side is called darkness, it is known as nights. So day and night you can determine at your home also. When you focus a ball, the shadow area before the back side of shadow area, it causes night, and far the shadow area, it causes glow. It is known as day. So day and night cause due to the rotation of the earth, and the earth rotates from west to east direction, and it takes maximum 365 days or 6 hours to complete one revolution of the earth. So this 365 days or 6 hours means 6 hours. You know leap year has 360 days. How the 1 years added, 1 year, how the 1 days added, let me discuss about it. When the earth rotates, the earth revolves the sun, it takes 365 days and 6 hours. Means 6 hours, 6 means we count 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 for 24 hours. Means 24 hours make a 1 day. That's why in every 4 months 1 days, every 4 years 1 day increase, and that causes a leap year. Suppose you are if anyone born in leap year in 29 February, their birthday will be coming after 4 years. So this is a leap years. Second point is, it helps to understanding how season change over a year. When the earth revolves around the sun, it causes seasons: autumn season, spring season, summer season, winter season, and this season cause, and it's very important. So sometimes there is a hot, there is a cold, there is a maximum rainfalls occurs in the Cherrapunji in Masarams. You know the highest waterfalls falls on the Masarams in Meghalaya. You go to the Sahara Desert, there is too much hot climates. If you visit Himalaya regions, Sundarbans, or Tundra regions where the Eskimo lives there, the temperature is too much below the minus 140 degrees, minus degree goes. Means 0 degrees where the ice freeze, it goes minus degrees. So the temperature is totally different because due to the revolution of the earth. So globe help us to give us the idea how the season change, how in London there is a hot, in Africa there is a too much hot. Means you see in the 0 degrees Celsius that there is a circle of illumination. In our globe, you see a globe, And this globes, you see there is a northern hemisphere, below southern hemisphere, between them there is a equator. It is 0 degrees because the sun rays, it directly fall on the surface. Suppose you take a torchlight, you blow the torchlight, it goes, is this light, means this area is covered, so much volume. Or suppose you fall the torchlight, this light only goes the surface area here. So the equator regions have a maximum temperature there, and most of the people are suffering, have a face a lot of severe hotness. Suppose you see in the month of June and May in India has all too much hotness, loo, hot blowing air blow through this air. It make us a loo, and it cause very trembles us. People fall down also, and so that's why revolution takes place. And this revolution this globe help us to know about how the change in the season also, how the spring season come, autumn season comes, summer season comes. Third one, a globe shows the physical features of the earth, such as the oceans and mountain. Means the earth give us in a globe, you see the oceans also, land masses of the, means the large water masses covered with water is known as oceans. There are 5 oceans, and the large land masses which covered with soil is known as oceans. So, and between the ocean there is a not too much area, it is known as sea. So this globe shows the physical features of the earth, such as the oceans and mountains, plain also, valley also, relief also, and give us a tremendous idea about the whole world. Fourth point is a globe is also useful in determining the distance between two places. You know that there is a if you visit determining of two places, so there is one is absolute location also, there is one relative. Suppose if you want to ask you where is your staff room, you say the next to the class 6 there is a staff room. It's not a absolute, it is a relative location. There is not an active, but absolute location give you idea where is class 6. Go state, there is a class 6. This is the idea given by you. This is not an absolute location and relative locations. And there is a changes in the earth surface temperature also changes day by day, and this temperature changes day by day give a pleasant idea about the atmospheres. Now let us discuss about important latitude. You know latitudes? East and west direction is known as latitude. Means this one, this direction is east to west direction is known as latitudes, and north to south direction is known as longitude. There are total 180 parallel latitudes are theirs. So this is very important for us. So I repeat again, this marriage, it helps in understanding how day and night are caused. Second one is it helps in understanding how seasons change over years. Third one is a globe shows the physical features of the earth, such as the oceans and mountains, plains, etc. And fourth, a globe is also useful to determine the distance between two places. Now come to the point, important latitudes. You know, in the latitudes there is Tropic of Capricorns, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circles. This is the important latitudes. And the equators has a maximum temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. It is very hotness. Second, the Tropic of Cancer is 23 degree, half 23 degree in the northern hemisphere. And the Tropic of Capricorn is also 23 half in the southern hemisphere. And the Arctic, the has a 63 degree temperature. Means the temperature is totally different from their temperatures. These all regions have totally maximum temperatures are there. So you should conserve in the mind this latitude is very important for us. And these latitudes very important for us to know the time and actual position of the earth, where is the India in the north eastern part of the whole world. So this is the directions. This globe very useful, but it demerit also. You cannot take a globe in the where you go. So it is a very demerit. If I locate you, where is Gorakhpur? You can't find in the globe where is Gorakhpur. Where is small area you cannot. I have the idea in the globe, but in a map. Suppose what is a map is a representation of drawing in the arts. It may give you accurate idea where is Gorakhpur, where is Uttar Pradesh. A small area you think in the map. So there is a difference between map and globe. Globe in comparison between globe and map may be very useful in comparison to globes. And a globe is a small body art. It represents the arts in actual time, and it rotates, gives the idea of revolution, rotation, change in seasons, other atmosphere, it gives us the idea. And there is also a torrid zones, temperate zone, frigid zone. It is also area where the temperature is too much high, lows, and it depends upon the distance and the distance of the sun from the earth, temperature, factors affected us. And this earth rotate from west to east and give the idea to what is in the earth rotating in 360 degrees Celsius. But sorry, in 360 degree it rotates the earth just like our earth, just like a circle, but it's just you think in the mind it's just like an orange. It has top and north pole south with tap, and there's a bulgy for this is the formation of the earth. I hope all of you understood today's topics, globe, the earth model. In the next topic, I will upload the next video is other torrid zone, frigid zone, and temperature zones. Hope all of you understood it. Thank you. Have a nice day.